So today we are going to do some calculations with the help of Python, and Python is a great calculator. First we will do some calculations inside the terminal itself. Then we will do some calculations using the print statements in our text editor. Okay, so open your terminal first, and by now you should know that in order to run Python, you first need to type Python 3, hit return or enter. Ignore all this if you don't know what it is. This is just the version of Python that you're using. So let us do some basic mathematical calculations. Let us do 5 plus 3. Hit return, you get the answer. Okay, it's a good idea to leave spaces between these characters, since it's cleaner. Even if you don't leave spaces, it doesn't really matter, but it's still a great idea to leave spaces. Let us do some multiplication. 7 asterisk 6 gives you the answer. Let us do some subtraction. 7 minus 7 gives you the answer. Let us do some division. For division, you need to use the forward slash or the normal slash, and let us do some division. So this, since this is an integer, it gives you the answer in integers. So you can do 5.5 divided or even multiplied by, suppose, 3. Gives you the answer in decimals. Now the percentage character is not exactly percentage when it comes to Python. It's a modulus character, and it compares whether the remainder which is obtained after dividing something is the same as the number. So you'll get to know more about it once you do the program ahead. For now, just forget about it. You can even do greater than or less than or whatever. Suppose 5 less than 2. So we'll print false, since 5 is not less than 2. So if you see here, f is capital and not lowercase. And if you did my previous exercise, you will know that these Boolean values, true and false, have T and F to be capital always. Now say 5 greater than 2 and print true, since it is true. You can even do less than or equal to, greater than equal to. So I'll show you how. 6 less than or equal to 2. False, since it isn't. 5 less than or equal to, well, let's just do greater than or equal to 4. That is true, since it is greater than 4. Now these less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or and what all of this is, I will tell you after a few exercises. For now, just go with the flow, right? So now we close this. Let us do some let us write a proper program inside our text editor. Open a new file, close the previous tab, and just type exactly what I do. After that, you can try something on your own. Print. Let's count my chickens. Okay, let's do that. So first we print hens. Now to do the calculations, you need to get out of this double quotes, since you don't want the numbers that you're using to calculate things to be considered as a sentence, right? You don't want that. Suppose if you do 5 into 5 or into 4, inside these double quotes, it'll only be printed like 5 into 4, hence 5 into 4, instead of the actual answer, which is 20. So it won't happen like this. You need to do this outside these double quotes. After the double quotes, inside the parentheses or the round brackets of the print statement, put a comma, then a space. And now, and only now, you can start your calculations. So let's do some calculations. 25 plus 30 divided by 6. Okay, this is the first statement. Let us do some more. Say you want to calculate roosters. Okay, again the same thing. If you want to do calculations, you need to get out of this double quote, leave a comma, and then do your calculations. 100 minus 25 into 3, and let us do some modulus thing. Percentage 4. Okay, now this is modulus. What it is, you will soon find out when you run this program. Some more print statements. Just go on typing along with me. Open up a new window in the side along with me, and just keep typing along with me whatever I am doing. So let us do 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 4 percentage, which is modulus 2 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 6. So this is your next print statement. Again, let us do some more print statements. This is just a basic print statement which will not do any calculations. It'll just print whatever I want to. So if you see here, all these numbers are not enclosed within double quotes, right? Like how we did with these strings. Whatever is inside these double quotes is called as strings. Remember that, it's a string. I'll use sentences. I'll use the word string instead of sentences or words or letters inside these double quotes. So remember, strings. So now these numbers aren't a part of the string, but it'll still be printed. Okay, and it'll be calculated the way we want it to. Again, some more basic print statement. Is that true? And some calculations. 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 is less than 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7. Okay, and now some more print statements, if you're willing to, or else you can stop here if you think it's enough. But it's a good idea to write multiple statements. So now another print statement. and this is a string. What is 5 into 4? And do the same calculation, 5 into 4, outside the double quotes, right? Another print statement is this: greater, outside the double quote, 5 greater than minus 2. Some more. I promise you this is the last statement. Is this less than or equal to? Get outside of this double quote and do your calculations. So here I'm going to do some less than or equal to thing, minus 2. Okay, now if you save this program, Command S, save it as exercise ex3.py, or you can give it any name you want. Just make sure that the .py format is the constant whenever you run the program, right? So you see the colors have changed since now it has been recognized as a Python program. Open up your terminal, type Python 3, right? Put a space. Now, as I taught you the tab trick in the previous exercise, first put a slash tab users, then again B, which is my name, Bhargav Pandya, which is the name of this computer as well, desktop, and then hit tab. So it shows you all the different options available. So now we want to open up exercise 3, ex3.py. So keep cycling using tabs, using the tab key till the point that you reach ex3.py, right? It'll keep cycling. And then once you do reach ex3.py, just hit return and it will run your program. As you see, so it gives you the answer. Now I want you to do some more programs on your own, just like this one. Do some different calculations on your own and make sure that whatever you don't understand, you put in a pound or a hash character above each line and explain to yourself in English what that line does. Okay, so hope you understand this exercise. If you don't, you can ask me questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.